Okay, there's the AC unit, and it's July 30th, the hottest, most humid time of the year for it to go out. Always convenient. So, right in here, I've taken out this circuit breaker. So that's what it looks like. And there's the box. The power's off. The inside breaker is shut off. So there's all the wires. I just took off all the tape that I had on them just to keep them from touching each other, just in case there is any power. Yeah, I draw my little diagram. So there's the culprit, the capacitor. So here's the old one. There it is. And you can see it's swollen. There's the comparison. Old and the new. Yeah, totally flat. So I ordered it online, Walmart. Took a week to fly in from BC, and I got two of them. Two of these for $18 and then $42 with shipping and handling. That should last a while. And now I just connect the wires. Turn on power. I washed everything out on the bottom with the power spray. It's fairly clean. And cleaned out the fan. All the leaves are gone. So I'll tell you if it turns on. Thanks.